In this video, I'll guide you through how to search for candidates on Indeed so you can quickly find people who match the roles you're hiring for. We'll move step by step through the process, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to go from your employer dashboard to a short list of strong candidates. Let's start at the very beginning from your employer dashboard. Once you're signed into your employer account, look for the option labeled Resume Search. This is the section of Indeed that lets you search through a large database of candidate resumes rather than waiting for people to apply to your job posts. Click into Resume Search to open the main search page. You should now see a search bar and usually some options or filters around it. Next, you'll enter some basic information about the kind of candidate you're trying to find. In the search bar, type in relevant keywords. These can be job titles, specific skills, or locations, depending on what matters most for your role. For example, you might type marketing manager or Java developer, or even something like customer service, plus the city or region you're hiring in. When you're choosing keywords, be as clear and specific as you reasonably can, but avoid making them so narrow that you miss good candidates. If a role can be called several things, you can try different variations over time, like account executive and sales representative, to see which set of results looks better. You can also include important skills or tools that are essential for the job, such as a particular programming language, software platform, or certification. Once your keywords are in place, it's time to refine your search using filters. Filters help you narrow down a large pool of resumes into a group that's actually relevant to your needs. On the resume search page, look for filtering options. These might include things like location, years of experience, education level, or other criteria that help you define your ideal candidate. Start with location. If the role requires someone to be in a specific area, you can usually specify a city, region, or distance range. Then adjust any experience filters so you're seeing people at the right level, whether that's entry level, mid-level, or senior. If there are other filters available, like job type or particular qualifications, use them thoughtfully. Each filter you add will narrow your results, so apply them one at a time and give the page a moment to update. If you notice your results becoming too limited, simply relax or remove one of the filters. After you've entered your keywords and applied your filters, you'll see a list of candidate resumes that match your criteria. This is where you start reviewing individual profiles to see who might be a good fit. Click on a resume to open it and take your time scanning the candidate's work history, skills, education, and any summaries they've provided. As you review resumes, focus on how closely their experience matches the responsibilities of your role and whether their skills line up with what you typed into the search. It can help to look for patterns such as repeated experience with certain tools, industries, or job functions. If a candidate looks promising, you may want to save their resume in your account or note their details so you can reach out later. If not, simply move on to the next profile. You can repeat this process, adjusting keywords and filters as you go until you've built a solid list of potential candidates.